Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day one of Anime Expo. And I want to say I'm not a weeb, but I have one goal for the weekend, and that is to see my favorite manga of all time, recent time, Dandadan, turn into an anime. And I'm excited for their world premiere. It is the best running manga. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. It's the peak of peaks, and I cannot wait for it to be an anime. It's something that I'm really looking forward to. This is my fit today. Yeah. All I'm bringing to the event, one backpack, LCS backpack that's not even mine, one water bottle. I don't know any of the women on here, just at all. Sid gave me that, and I put sunscreen, which I think you can already see, and I'm already kind of sweating. It's currently July 4th, and it is fucking hot. But in the backpack, I only have sunscreen, which I already put on, and this. I'm gonna try to bring a water bottle, and we'll see how it is. Where my glasses today? We're at Anime Expo. Coming today, tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it'll be super packed. And this, Artist Alley. Spoiler alert, I already went down these two rows. I'll try to find cool boots for you guys. I love art. It is awesome. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. To be honest, I'm really picky about art. I don't know what I'm looking for, but like maybe something from Dandadan would be nice. I like eclectic things. I picked up some stuff already. I'll show you guys later in the video. Okay, change of plans, guys. I forgot my meet and greet's at 4 p.m. and it's 3:30. So I'm just going over. I promised Jamie I would do a meet and greet with her, and she helped get me in. So my badge is Ebico, which is her company, and it should be somewhere over here. Yeah, sure. Okay, my video is gonna have a lot of that where I swear to God someone's gonna come up to me and be like, yo, and I'm just have to stop. But look at these. These are fucking hella cute. I like a lot of AX shopping because a lot of it's like really con specific. Yeah, people really bust out stuff for this con because it's, you know, like 400K people come. So I'm looking for, the R18 section. Never been there in my life. I'm looking for Ebico. Where the heck is this? Okay, it's really sad I don't know. Wait, does it say on this badge? I will find out where she is. I will figure it out. I found the Ebico booth. There's Jamie. And yeah. It's AX. Day 3 is hot as fuck today, and I'm gonna be dressed like this. For people who don't know, this is Kuma from One Piece, and I'm a fraud because I don't actually read One Piece. I read it to Wano. I was looking for something funny to wear for the event, and I saw this online. I got it, and I didn't even know it was gonna show up. But it did, which is awesome. So I'm really happy. But I think it's like 95 today, like 93. I'm meeting up with Peter, and we're gonna do some, I don't know, maybe film some content, maybe just have a good time. I wanna see the exhibitor hall. This is gonna be the most packed day. And today, Dandadan world premiere, I got me and Peter in. I'm so fucking happy. Maylin hooked it up. She's helped us a lot. She works at GGX. It's been awesome. And I'm so happy to be watching the world premiere because this is my favorite manga. See you guys there. Yeah, I'm an hour late. I left my badge at home and I had to Uber back and get it, and it's really fucking embarrassing. This piece of shit. Unbelievable, I'm a dumbass. What's going on? I don't know, what are they doing? Say AX is packed, but realistically, it's a lot less packed this year. There's still a lot of people, don't get me wrong, but it used to be like, I shit you not, wall to wall. It's pretty comfortable. Maybe I'm just getting used to it, I don't know. Maybe that sounds like cope. Hey, Blue Archive. I'm going to Artist Alley to meet my friend Peter, and we're gonna shoot some stuff together, I think. But here's the Artist Alley where we go in. So much merch, so much stuff. Look at this. So all the VTubers. VTubers were a mistake. Speaking of which, I actually don't know if these are. No, this is not VTubers, are they? Hey, Kuma. Oh, it's a BL manga. That's I too am Kuma today. Dude, everyone's doing like gacha bags now. Like, oh shit, what could be inside? It's like, man, people are addicts, man. Gambling fucking degenerates. But gacha's kind of cool though. Which one can I get? All right, Peter, you're part of my vlog now. So look, he has Law.
We love One Piece.
We're the fakiest
we
people ever.
fucking love One Piece. What are you talking
This
about?
guy is such
We
a
love
fraud.
One Piece. Holy shit, Wano, am I right?
What's Law's middle name?
Chopper. Oh, middle name? I don't know. What are you Do you know?
No, I don't even know if he has one. Look how popular this guy is. He has so many fucking fans. Look, man, dude, that's like fan 200. Dude, look at this guy. I just can't go anywhere with him. He's so fucking popular.
Yeah, actually, you fucking take all these photos and then you vlog me taking photos.
God, I don't know what's happening here, but there's a lot of dolls and maids here. Dude, it's crazy. We just finished our impromptu meet and greet.
You know what's crazy? Scarra says he doesn't know what those are, but like he actually put those up and then is vlogging from a distance as if he doesn't own those.
I would never do that, okay? That's crazy. You really think I know all the Pretty Cure characters there?
How do you know the brand?
Oh, Peter, you are in the shots of my exhibition hall. We're here to find a One Piece hat. Peter needs the law hat.
I have one at home, but I can't find it, so.
Oh, I need the Bartholomew Kuma kitty hat. What the fuck does this mean?
I read it.
This booth is wild. I don't like Blue Lock this much. Okay, I got Girl DM socks. She's somewhere here. I'm not gonna find her for the vlog, but she knows she's one of my favorite VTubers.
Do you want to vlog me buying one of these fucking grab bags and seeing what's inside of it?
Just using an excuse for...
Hey man, like I think that would be funny.
Yes, okay, yeah, no, I think that would be awesome and funny.
The CCG one.
Is it a problem, as a gacha person yourself, is it a problem that every single booth has gacha now?
I mean,
like,
it's incredibly profitable, and I understand.
Yeah, like...
I would personally susceptible to a few of them already.
The cinnamon roll is a problem as well. Sanrio has been taking over a little too much.
Cinnamon has the world by a fucking choke.
Did you see this? Buy 4 mystery boxes, get 1 free.
That sounds like a good deal. Spend $240 to get $60 free. That's a good deal.
Yeah. Like you're saving money at that point.
You want to get a fan for your rave nights? Your rave day?
Look, why would I settle for a hentai fan when I could just go to the Faku booth over there?
Yeah. Let's do it. I'm down.
Okay, yeah, but I will have to bleep like the entire booth.
Worth it. Why would you?
That's true.
You're like Faku's biggest customer, so why would you?
That art is like all ass and tits.
Okay, zoom in.
Like this one, I want to make sure you guys know. Stop getting closer.
Oh,
you gotta walk around, man. Peter, we're here at the booth you wanted to go to.
Scarra, they don't have hentai here. It's downstairs.
Oh, it's downstairs. Follow this map to 18 plus. And then there's a girl there.
Is it bad that I know what that's from?
Oh, so these are all like safe for work stuff, because you can only have that in the...
Oh, in the product.
I see. Yeah. Wow, that's crazy. I didn't know they had safe for work stuff. Look, there's fortune telling paper.
You want to get your fortune up?
Oh my, wait, is it actually like fortunes?
Here, let me get your fortune, Scarra.
Okay.
So it's $10 too, right?
Oh, yes, two.
Oh, so you just dropped that. What is Omikuji? There's not even bad luck. There's only uncertain luck.
But that's bad luck. Okay, 2. All right, this one's mine.
Okay.
And this one's yours.
Okay.
All right, I got you. I got... Good luck. It is time for struggle. Don't give up your dream.
That doesn't sound...
Having only one strategy will rarely enable you to realize your dream. You will realize that destiny is showing you a brighter direction slowly but surely.
Okay.
Is that basically telling me to stop being a streamer?
Here. You stretch this one out.
You got excellent luck.
It's time to reevaluate your strengths. They are very attractive. Although you hesitate to show them to others, please gain your strength by... Okay, but...
Does that sound excellent?
That sounds not that excellent. I got the best one.
Yeah. Good for you. Fuck you.
We need hats, man. We need One Piece hats.
My favorite anime, One Piece. We love One Piece.
Yes, we love One Piece. Isn't that right, Mr. Law?
That character's name is actually called Luffy. You know that? That's Luffy, by the way.
Monkey D. Luffy.
Luffy's
I'm a real one.
I would say that it's a pretty niche anime, so I would say we're pretty big.
Oh, how do you feel about Nikkei since you're a gacha player?
You know, I was actually gonna go to the Nikkei booth, but Anita was with me, and she was wondering what it was. And when we went up to it, the TV showed the girls putting on bunny suits, and she was like, "You like this stuff?" And I had to walk away.
But now she's not here, so.
Yeah, she's true.
What do you think her name is? It's Anis.
How do you know that?
Anyways, One Piece.
One Piece. We love One Piece.
Okay, but did you watch One Piece Red? Me neither. It has Shanks' daughter.
Shanks has a daughter?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Dude, they don't have the hats.
Well, they have the hats on the little dude.
Bro, look, that's the hat we need.
They don't even have your character.
Kuma doesn't even exist. I'm gonna tweet and I'm gonna ask anyone if has anyone seen a Kuma hat.
Okay.
I need to wear it. We were just told by that guy, that nice guy, that this is the #1 gacha game in Japan. You've got to be shitting me.
I'm installing it right now.
You're fucking shitting me. It's Horse Girls. Oh my god, I found this artist. This is like, I don't know how this, like one of the most famous artists online. Their art is very,
You want an acrylic stand screw? I got you.
How do you feel about Sanrio girls, Peter?
I'm dating a Sanrio girl.
Oh god.
She's a cinema roll.
Oh god. Everyone likes cinnamon roll.
Who's your Sanrio character?
Froppy? No, it's
Froppy?
it's fucking Kermit. No, it's a green one. Kuropi, yes. Look, it says, please no sitting. I want to sit down too, man.
Dude, sit down.
Look how popular Lily
Put in
is.
the thumbnail.
Yeah, Lily is such a popular person.
She's so cool. I wish I
Yeah,
like her.
God, she gets stopped all the time.
She gets recognized through her mask too, and that's how you know she's
Yeah,
famous.
what the heck?
That's so cool.
Oh my God, Lily Pogchu?
Lily Pogchamp.
Look at her. She's so popular. I'm just using Lily for my vlog footage. And Peter. We're currently at the entertainment hall where you have to walk like a while for the hall. This is Peter, of course. Scarra and Peter visit the world of Ghibli. Scarra and Peter visit Manga Plus.
Get a picture?
Oh, let's see if I can recognize everyone. Chainsaw Man, Spy Family, oh, Ruri Dragon, Oshinoko. I cannot believe Ruri Dragon's here. That's a crazy one. Which badge did you get?
Yeah, so I had the Manga Plus app downloaded, so they gave me a random pin, and I got Deku. My favorite. I love Deku.
Say that in your Deku voice.
That was my Deku voice.
Ah, shit. Okay, One Piece. Boot is sick. Who are those people?
My fans, I think.
Oh shit. Oh my god. So while me and Peter were doing the meet and greet, someone came up and gave both of us a custom hitbox. It's beautiful. It's my first ever custom hitbox. I don't know if I can play on this because it's really hard for me to use these. But these are awesome. Yo, it's Cat Girl. It's Basil. She's doing live commissions. Hold on. Basil, I'm still need you to be part of my vlog.
Big fan, oh my god!
Wait, what?
Oh my god, I'm such a big fan! Oh my
Basil,
god.
what did Scarra say to you on Twitter yesterday?
Oh, but he told me to die?
I need to go. Sanrio, there's too much of it, Peter.
I would go if the line wasn't so fucking insane.
It's too much of it.
They're taking over, man.
Sanrio needs to be exterminated,
I
man.
feel like Sanrio's only gotten more popular over time.
Yeah. There's the Arknights booth and the Yostar. Oh, it's Mahjong. Oh, it's the company who does Mahjong Soul. I'm here for the Hololive. Honestly, my Oshi is GG from the current gen, and I like Pakora. And I think that's it. Oh my god, there are a lot of fucking people. Oh my god.
Oh, what? Have you anyone tried the QR code?
There's so many people.
Want to take a photo with some Azure Lane cosplayers? This is the best day of Scarra's life.
Why didn't you get a picture with them? What did you say on my vlog?
I said this is the best day of Scarra's life.
This is average weekend.
Oh, sure.
Yo, what the fuck? Is that Connor?
Are you on like what's up Connor name basis? Or?
I mean, Connor knows of me. I think I'm having lunch with him tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but like I don't know if he knows me, you know? Look at them. Oh, they look so dashing and handsome. It's 6 p.m. and everyone's leaving the convention hall. The exhibitor hall just closed. So this is like the most packed I've ever seen this week. And honestly, for a Saturday, that's pretty fucking good. Let's zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see. You guys can find like a Where's Waldo. Yo, hey, look, there's Cloud. And there's Chun-Li. Whoa, what the fuck? Smoke? That's a Gundam with fucking smoke. Come here, what is going on? I'm done. Peter's grabbing a last minute thing and I'm leaving. I'm dipping. The Dandadan panel. Guest reception. That's Maylin. That's Lena. Maylin's helping us get in. And that's the line. I'm so grateful that we helped get in. This line is fucking crazy. Avon, where are we at?
Dandadan.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to be really popular, and I heard it's crazy.
Yeah, it's fucking awesome. So we're about to turn off the cameras, but we're gonna watch the first episode and like meet the actors and stuff, I guess.
I think someone gets strapped down.
Yeah, that's gonna be her. Dandadan. Streaming worldwide. So the Dandadan panel ended, and we're like being corralled into like, I think we're being killed. It's day 3 or day 4. Sorry, last day. This is what I'm wearing today. Cena had a collab with One Piece a long time ago. I think it's the best. It's the best thing from the collab for sure. It's a nice little flowy dress shirt. I love it. That's it, man. Hopefully at the end of today, I'm gonna go to the arts alley to try to find some stuff, and that's it. That'll wrap up my AX. I picked up some stuff already. I'll show you guys later in the video.